In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Brave browser's new split screen feature. This feature is perfect when you want to work faster without juggling windows. Maybe you're researching on one site while taking notes on another, comparing two articles side by side, or watching a tutorial while following along. Split screen helps you do all of that in a single Brave window, cleanly and efficiently. First, open your Brave browser. Make sure you're in the window where you want to multitask. If you don't immediately see the option we're about to use, don't worry. Just ensure you're on a recent desktop version of Brave, since this is a newer feature. Next, move to the tab you want to place into split view. Right-click on that tab along the top of the window. This opens the tab's context menu, where Brave groups useful actions for managing tabs. From that menu, click on Add tab to new split view. The moment you select this, Brave divides your current window into two panels. Your selected tab stays visible in one panel, and the split view opens room for a second panel alongside it. You'll notice both sides behave just like normal browsing areas. You can scroll independently, interact with pages, and keep media playing on one side while you work on the other. The active panel is the one that responds to your keyboard and the address bar, and you can switch focus simply by clicking inside the panel you want to use. If at any point you decide you're done with the side-by-side view and want to go back to a single page, it's just as simple to undo. To unsplit the tabs, right-click on the tab again within the split view. That brings back the same context menu, now showing additional options related to split screen. Hover your mouse over Arrange Split View, and then click on Unsplit Tabs. Brave will collapse the two panels back into one, returning you to a familiar single-tab layout without closing your pages. This is great for quickly entering split mode when you need it and getting out of it when you don't, all without breaking your workflow. That's all you need to start using Brave's split screen with confidence. Remember, Split View is designed to be lightweight and distraction-free, so you can keep focus on your work while staying efficient. If you don't see these options, check for browser updates, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother multitasking experience with Brave.